All right, I got a problem with this sprinkler here. So, first things first, we'll get our gloves on and dig out the dirt. All right, so we just got to get all this out of here. I think there might be a donut in this one. Yeah, there is. You know what I mean? I don't know why. Like the donuts don't really do very much to protect them. He follows me. So now I just got to get this dirt out of here. There it is. There's our donut. Okay. So I'm just digging around it. It's good dark dirt, isn't it? I mean, I could just change the degree of it, and this one would probably work, but you can see the tops all broke off. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put a new K2 Pro in there. You follow me? I mean, let's do that. Got to get it out of here. Put that over there. And that baby's ready to go. So anyway, this is my left start position. It's called the left start arrow. It's also the way you remove the spray head. This is going to be my right stop position. This is my how far it's going to squirt, and this is how I get it open. And so once you get it in the ground, you got it, screwed on. You're going to pull the riser up, grab it, the bottom part of it, because the top part is separate. Right, left. You're going to hear a click on both sides, and then you got to twist it from the riser to get this pointed at the direction that you want it to go. So, and that's where we got to screw it in. So let's get this out of here. All right, let's dig this out. I guess I got to get more on this side because I didn't get far enough. Now I could unscrew this and then pull all this out, and then I can unscrew this and just take it out of there. I'll put this over to the side. Here's the head. These are the little parts of this thing. Set it there. All right, so I don't want to get any dirt in there. That's the key thing. Otherwise it could screw up your nozzle and everything. So let's try to get as much of this out of here as we can. Now, I should be able to turn it to the left counterclockwise to remove this. Yeah, so that's the way you got to go. You got to go counterclockwise. And then I'm just going to slowly pull this out. Yeah. Set her over there. Right now, what I want to do is I just want to slip this down in there. And hopefully I can go right down and then turn it to the right. And it should twist right on. And I think we're good. Yeah, that's good. And now we got a brand new sprinkler here. I want it on tight. Okay, I think I'm pretty good. Now I want this thing to come straight up, so I may push some of this dirt in here to get it so it's straight. You follow me? And I might just leave that in there. I mean, why not? Gives it a little protection. I could pull it up like this and then push all the dirt under. You follow me? Let's get it all under there. I want my yard guys to not run over this thing. And they do it every time, man. Every time they run over it. So if they can see it, maybe they won't do that. Okay. I think that's good. Right now, all right, so this key is used to raise this riser up. I just want to show you guys this for a second. Get it on there. All right, when I pull it up, you're going to notice that the riser has a little perimeter around it because it turns separately from the turret, which is underneath it. Okay, so when we lift this up, I'm going to grab the turret underneath it and hold it, and then I got to twist the riser to clockwise and then counterclockwise, and it should give me 2 clicks. And then I'm going to twist the whole thing, and this is going to be my left start position, which will be down there. So I want this pointed directly at that plant down there, okay? So that's what we're gonna do, okay? So I'll let you guys see me do that right now. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull it up, and I've got to grab the underneath turret. You follow me? So I'm gonna pull this up, and I gotta grab this, okay? And then I gotta get the key out of it, if I can. I mean, it doesn't really, let me show you, see? See how I've got it? So I'm holding this, and then the top I can twist. All right, you see I've got it up, and you can see this edge. So I've got to go right, left. And I hear those clicking noises. And once I've done that, then I'm gonna move it so that this top screw is pointing in my left start position. And I do it by twisting that riser, or that turret underneath. You follow me? You see that screw right up on top there? I want that pointing at my left start position. And then after, we're gonna change that arrow to our right closeout position. Okay, so left start position's down there. We got it pointed that way. And then we're gonna switch it. So all I gotta do is gently let go of the riser. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold this and slowly let it down, just like that. All right, now we're good. Okay, now I gotta get the key, and to do this is what I've gotta do is I've gotta hold this, and then I can twist this a little bit so I get a little bit more of an angle on it to my right position. So now it's gonna go that direction, and it'll get my trees over there. And then this side will go that way. So this is my angles of spray. All right, now all we gotta do is turn it on and see how it works. So I'm on off. To get to the zone, I'm gonna go to auto. Then I'm gonna click on here. And it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that should turn on our zone. Let's go check. All right, seems to be working pretty good. It is a little bit on an angle there, but I think that's okay. I mean, I could straighten it up a little bit by putting a rock in front of it. But there she goes, look at her. And just coming right around to my right side stop position, should be right about there. And now it should stop. And now it's going to rotate back. All right, let's watch her. You can see all my other sprinklers sprinkling. This one's reaching all the way over. All right, so we want this one to get all the way down to the end. Let's see if it does. A little bit. All right, so I need to adjust this a little bit, but I think it's working pretty good. What do you guys think? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this cool and awesome sprinkler. Peace out.